Hey, hi. So today we are going to cover a topic failure of joint. Specifically, we will be talking about plate failure and the subject is design of steel structure. And now what's in the sheet? There are diagrams that shows joint failure modes due to plate. Okay, not bolt. We previously saw the joint failure mode because of bolts. Now what we have to do? We have to try clicking the relevant image of failure as asked in the question that will lead us to the next question. Okay, so the first page is saying click here to start. So let's start. All right, question is which image correctly represents the tensile failure of plate? Now focus on the diagram. There are four diagrams, 1 2 3 4. Means obviously we are simultaneously looking at four modes of failure of joint because of failure of plate. Now out of these four we have to focus on tensile failure. Okay, so because of tensile failure the plate fails like this. Okay, the bolt is intact because the bolt strength was more than the plate, and that's why the plate has failed in tension in this mode. Okay, this is the right answer. Okay, if it is right, we will proceed to next question. Since the sheet is interactive, just click on the correct answer and then you will go to next page. Okay, let's click it. All right. Tensile failure of plate takes place when tension across the cross section of the plate exceeds the safe tension value and bolt is stronger than the plate. That's why nothing happened to the bolt, but the plate has failed. Okay, this is what tensile failure. Go to next question. Okay, click this one. Okay, when you will be having this PDF in your mobile, in your tablet, you will be able to click it. Okay, you will also be able to click it. Do find this PDF in Telegram channel of Simplified Learning. The link will be given in description. Okay, let's go to question number next. Which image correctly represents the shearing failure of a plate? Shearing failure. See, this one, the first diagram looks like the plate has a section of plate has been sliced off due to shear. Okay, now let's try clicking this one. All right, perfect. When applied stress exceeds the shear capacity of plate material, shear plane formation takes place that takes away a portion of plate. Clearly you can see a portion of plate has been sheared off and the bolt, it is in its very position, because what we are focusing in this topic, failure because of plate. Okay, let's go to next question. Click here. Okay, click here. All right, which image correctly represent the bearing failure of plate? Now what bearing failure means? A portion which is extensively stressed deforms at that spot. Okay, in what diagram you can see deformation? Okay, now this is a kind of elimination scenario. This was tensile failure, this is shear failure. Now we have been left up with two diagrams. Okay, now see what is the advantage of going through this sheet. Again, while you are focusing on a specific failure, you are trying to eliminate the previous modes of failure that you encountered with. That is, you are unknowingly revising this failure as this one is tensile one, this one is shear failure. Means even you are facing a new question, you are anonymously relating to the other failure modes. This revision is getting done indirectly. Okay, now this one is shearing, this one is tensile, this one is not a deformation at a point, this looks like a crack. That's why this should be the one, this should be the one, bearing failure. Let's try to click this one. All right, yes, when applied load crosses the elastic limit of plate, the plate undergoes deformation at the bolted portion. See, the deformation, the layer formation, the kind of elastic deformation, inelastic deformation, permanent deformation has undergone at this bolted portion. Okay, because the applied load has crossed the elastic limit of plate. Okay, beyond elastic limit the deformation has been permanent. Okay, let's go to question number next. Okay, which image correctly represent the cleavage failure of plate? Now see, this one is shear, this one is tensile, this one is bearing failure. Obviously this is going to be the cleavage failure. Okay, and now observe the diagram. The cleavage failure means across a specific plane a crack can be observed. Okay, now let's see what the explanation says about this cleavage failure. Okay, it is a brittle transgranular fracture by separation across well defined crystallographic plane of plate material. Means it is a kind of brittle failure across a weak plane that was formed in the plate. Okay, that was previously in the plate. Okay, so that were the 4 failure modes we saw in this specific revision sheet, or let's say interactive sheet. Let's go to question next. Okay, see, if you want to revise this one, if you want to go through the PDF once more, then you can click here to try again. Okay, you will go to question number 1. Okay, then tensile failure, this one, then next question, then shearing failure, this one, next question, then again bearing failure, this one, next, then this was last cleavage failure. Alright, you will be able to go through the PDF again. Obviously you can scroll through the PDF. This is not kind of a web page or a tool or an app. This is literally a PDF where you can scroll, but for the revision point of view, use the click and proceed format. Okay, so that was all regarding failure of joints, and the mode of failure was because of plate.